Hello and welcome to my review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2019. So these earbuds, first things first, they are very compact, very small form factor, and it does very easily fit into the pocket. Okay, so getting into the actual Samsung Buds, if we just flick the case open as so, and it will pop up on your screen to easily connect them to your phone. You just press connect and it'll just load on and straight away connect them to your phone. If you're on Android at first, when you do press connect, it will have to go through some allowing permissions, as that's just Android's ecosystem. So taking the Buds out of the case, if we just, as I say, very small, if you just pop them in your ear and give them a slight turn back, they will click into place, and this is how they look, very small in the ears, hardly noticeable. Unlike the Apple AirPods, they don't hang out your ears as much. As I say, if you just click them back in your place in the pod, they've got some very tiny small connectors here, which once you put them back in and close the case, it will easily disconnect from your phone. So in terms of charging, you've got a small USB-C port on the back, which is easy to charge with, or as I say, they do come straight out of the box with wireless charging. And if you do have a new S10, you can do wireless power share from your S10 and charge them that way. Or if you've got a normal wireless charger, you just place them on the wireless charger and it'll start charging straight away. If you have any questions, do leave questions down in the comment below, and like and subscribe. Thank you for listening.